Good morning, class. Today we'll have some the identities which are required to do the important questions in algebraic expressions. Like here is one, two, three identities which we can use in the algebraic equations. Let's see here that there are given two brackets with a and b variables, or you can say both are having the same variable and both is having the positive position, so we can write it as a plus b whole square, because if you are writing it a plus b or a plus b in the both brackets, this is also same and this is also same. Now here what you have to do with that, if you are doing the product of this, because you can see there is no sign between the brackets, so will how you will do it, a multiplied by a is giving you a square, then a multiplied by b, so it will be ab, then b, now the it's turn for the b multiplied by a, so a b, and b multiplied by b, so it will become a b square. Now if you will see that this is also square, this is also square, so we have written it here. Now these are the positive variable and both are same, this is 1 and this is also 1. When we are having 1 plus 1, so we are making writing it as 2, so this 1 plus 1 will become 2, and this is how many, a 2ab. Same for the negative also. Here you can see when it is both the brackets with the square, it means both are in the minus position, and we can take that a square. If you will do the whole procedure of this, so you will get the same, like this is here negatives, so a multiplied by a square, a multiplied by a, so a multiplied by a, so a square, and a multiplied by minus b, so minus ab will be here. Now a multiplied by b, now it's turn of b, minus b multiplied by a, so this is also become minus ba. Now b minus b and minus b, you can see both the signs are same. Multiplication, when sign are multiplied in the minus signs are multiplied of both the variables, so it becomes positive. So here b multiplied by b square, but the signs are become in change in positive. Now you can see that a square and b square both have written on the same place. Now this is also negative both. If you will change a b or writing b a, so it doesn't change, the variable is same, so it will become minus 2ab, because both are same with the signs also. So this equation will become like this. Now this is one bracket of positive and one bracket is of negative. If you will multiply this, so it will becomes like this, a square minus ab plus a, again this is same, so the one is of negative, one is of positive, and this is same b square. Now if it is one minus and one positive, so we do what, cut, and this will become 0, so we will not write anything for the a b variable, it will remains as the a square and b square. So these are the identities which you have to learn very importantly, because this will be used in the whole chapter. Now here you can use that identity, you can see the variables are same in this, but these brackets are this number is of the addition sign in both the brackets, so this is a plus b whole square. What was the identity was for this, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what we will do, we'll just put this directly in the ab position, this will be a and this will be b, so 3x, so this will be 3x square plus 2ab, so 2a is 3x and this is 2y plus y 2y, so this will be in the b's position and this 2y will become square. So here you can see they have done the multiplication procedure, but by putting this value we'll get this, how 3 3s are 9, because this is twice, so 3 3s are 9 x square, we got here this same. Now plus this is 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, so 12xy, here also it is same. Now this is 2y square, so means 2 2s are 4, so this will be plus 4y square. Now here also we got the same. So instead of doing all this multiplication, just use this simple identity by checking it with the variables and the identity, and then you can get the answer direct by using this identity. In this negative also, this will become a and this will become b, and using that identity, because this is negative, so a square minus 2ab plus b square will be the identity of this. You will put 4x in the place of a and 7y in the place of b, and then you will get the same in this. It is one addition and one subtraction, so this will be very easy. A square minus b square means f4x square minus 5b, so 5y square. 4 4 is a 16x square minus 5 5 is a 25y square. Here you got the answer. Like this you can use this identities and the, so make sure you do the this identities from page number 144 141, and these examples from page number 142 in practice copy. Then we can start the exercise. Thank you.